Alright guys, that obviously didn't go as planned. Thank God it wasn't any worse. Hey fuckers, welcome back to another video. If you tuned into today's video, today we are going to finally fix the gap in my front wheels of my car. As you guys can see, it's not the worst thing ever, but it still needed to get fixed. It's really in there, and so I wanted to pop it out a little bit, and so we got some spacers. As you can see, I already have quite a mess here. So this is because I already started doing this, and actually while doing this, don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys the footage and everything. One of the studs actually ended up, messing up. We ran into some trouble, so we had to order some last minute studs. Hopefully they come in by tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm crossing my fingers. Before I show you guys my mistake, I do want to address two comments from last video that I saw, and I was like, okay, here's the comment. I have my phone. Basically last video I put out a video about how I'm purchasing a carbon fiber hood on my car, but in one of the scenes, okay, here's a little scene that happened. Not tolerating, not liking that combo. This freaking gap right here that I have is just disgusting. It made me seem like I wasn't appreciative, okay? And I get it. I know where this is coming from. Like, I didn't come out good. I'm not gonna say it did. He said, I'm over here driving a stock car, and I go to car meets. Be grateful, bro, that your car is modded. And it got 47 likes, bro. It almost got more likes than my dang video. I sounded like a damn douche. Like, I looked it over, I'm like, damn, what a dick. Who is he? But it was me. I was like,
damn, this is disgusting. I don't want this car, and like, this is a piece of crap. Like,
obviously it's not like that. Of course I'm grateful for my thing. Of course I'm grateful. This is why I care so much about him. But the reason I don't like to take it out to car meets like this, when I go out to meets, I want to present to you guys, like, I guess, like the best version of me. Like, I'm not looking out there to be the best car or nothing like that, okay? I know there's always gonna be someone better than me and things like that. I just want to present best version, or I want to bring you guys a cool looking car, like the best version of myself, I guess I could say. But anyways, guys, whoever commented, I still appreciate you, bro. Don't take it as like the wrong way. I was just trying to explain myself. You know how I am. All right, so the second comment, it actually isn't one single comment. It's a bunch of comments. You guys were saying like, keep the carbon fiber hood exposed, keep the carbon exposed. And trust me, guys, okay? I know I said I'm gonna wrap the hood. I'm 100% with you guys. The hood, the AMS carbon fiber hood, looks amazing. Don't touch it. Just install it. Don't touch it because it looks beautiful. I was literally sitting in my bed trying to justify wrapping the hood. I'm like,
yeah, this car kind of looks pretty cool with the hood wrapped. You know, it looks not like.
Trust me, I want to leave the hood exposed. But the thing is that you guys know my carbon fiber hood is honeycomb. It's a different trend pattern, and then if I do the hood and that, it's gonna be different trend patterns. But I was thinking, what's the name of my channel, guys? BeDistinct, bro. If you guys don't know what distinct means, it means different. Maybe when the hood comes, I will just install it, have this a different pattern, and have this a different pattern, and it's gonna be different. I don't know if it's gonna be different in a good way or in a bad way. Problem here that happened here with the G35, we were taking out the studs, and the very first stud that I was going to install, I installed it and it was way too loose. You can literally push it with your hand, and that by no means it's supposed to happen. So I tried the rest of the studs and they worked perfectly, but that one stud didn't work, and nobody sells extended studs here, well, at least one individual one. So we had to order APR, whatever, studs from Summit Racing over here in Nevada. I ordered fast shipping, so hopefully it gets here soon. But that's the issue we ran into. But anyways, let me show you when I presented the whole studs. I actually did install, and I showed the fitment and everything, and I was really like, the fitment is pretty close. So I'm gonna show you all that footage, and then we're gonna show installing the new ARP, APR, whatever stud. So let's get on with the footage. Alright guys, so here's what we got today in the mail. It all came today. Alright, so we got our box of open-ended studs. Here is what we got. We got the GK Tech, and it's hub centric, and this thing has a 4x114.3 and a 5x114.3. so it has two bolt patterns, which is awesome. And then we also went ahead and got ourselves some extended studs from GK Tech themselves. Is a 10.9 grade. You guys can see the back one does go in a little bit, but since my fenders are not rolled, let me go here on the other side. Since my fenders are not rolled, this thing sitting is super tight. Look at my finger. is like literally like the thickness of my finger, so it's sitting super tight. I like the fitment here in the back. I'm not gonna change anything about the back. It's perfect. So this is what we're gonna do. We've had this gap issue ever since I installed the wheels, and I've been okay with it, especially with the tire lettering that I had before. It didn't look too bad, but now since it's all black, like I could really tell the gap, and like it's about an inch. Let me go bring out the measure. So you guys can see the fender hits around 1 inch. It hits around 1 inch. So we got 15mm spacers, which is about half an inch. So I think that'll pull it out enough to not hit the fender, but still be a super tight fitment. So I'm praying to God that our fitment is gonna be dialed in, hopefully way better than it is before. But as you can see, it ate up like 70% of the thread. I don't even think my wheels will hold on here, so we're just gonna see if we can fit them as best as possible for right now. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. All right guys, so far it's not looking that great. So you can see with the spacers on, the wheel is kind of outside. Okay, so I'm praying to God, because this is cambered out. It has -2 camber, so I'm gonna let this go as soft as possible. If it starts bending the fender, you guys will see this thing gone wrong. But with the camber, I'm hoping this thing will like cave in, but we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, that obviously didn't go as planned. Thank God it wasn't any worse. The wheel just came out. Freak, I don't know how to do this, and I don't want to freaking take out all the studs. I mean, I could just put on no spacer. Okay, thread of the stud is too small. I'm starting to think it was too big of a spacer. I'm not sure. All right guys, so right now me and my dad was helping me. He did it slowly, and I was pushing the wheel against it so it could stay in there. Right now there's a lot of strain, so I don't want to keep it here for a long time, but as you can see, we still have a gap in there. So it's not sitting flush. So I just pushed it as much as I could, so it's not sitting flush. But look at the fitment right now. It's amazing, guys. Look at this. This is what I'm freaking, oh my God, that's perfect. If we could maintain our fitment like this. Okay, now the concern is it is super close, but as this thing bounces, the wheel's gonna curve in and stuff like that, and I don't know. I think we might be able to clear it. We might rub the slideys back. I don't know. I have faith. Oh my God, dude, I'm excited. Hopefully this thing works. We're gonna go ahead and raise it and then change out the studs. And it doesn't take a lot of power, you know. Don't freaking like slam it like. There you go. Little small groove there, and then that's where you're gonna take it out through this small groove. Grab ourselves a brand new stud through the same position. You're gonna do this slowly. Once you see the bottom sat flatly, you're gonna give it and then there you have it. You installed a stud. And you want to go ahead and rotate and make sure everything is flat. Alright guys, we just assembled everything. It's looking good. Everything's sturdy so far. Alright, there you go. So you can see we got a lot more thread now. And we should be able to install a wheel. Let's install our wheel. Alright guys, here we go, the moment of truth after all the struggles, man. Finally here. I'm really relying right now on the camber. Hopefully the camber is gonna go ahead and tuck that tire right under and we'll be golden, but we're gonna do it super slowly. Make sure everything is freaking best angle in the game right there. Alright, look at that. Now, you know, oh my God, look at that. Look at that, my guys. Oh my God, that's what I am talking about. 20mm, I think would have been golden, but 15 are not so bad at all. Go ahead and do the turning test. See if we clear. I think we do clear. Alright guys, it's a couple days later, actually it's the next day. Summit Racing came in plugged with the freaking studs, super fast shipping. Guess what else came in, boys? From Texas, straight from Admin Tuning, from EPS. This is gonna be the breather kit, and then with this we are able to install finally our admin tuning intake. And you know what that means. That means we're gonna go ahead and tune this car pretty shortly here. Let's get this job done. I know the video's getting kind of long. Let's go ahead and finish this job. Alright guys, so I already put 2 ARP studs. For some reason these are super hard to put on compared to the GK Tech, so that's how you know they're way much better. Bolt is on like this, right? Secure it. And with this breaker bar and the ratchet, it's going really smoothly. That's just to show you how better these ARP studs are, how secure, because with the GK Tech, when I put them on, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was kind of scared. I was like, man dude, what if these studs fall? Like, it went in pretty easy, like I don't know. But these for sure, I'm way less worried, because these went in super hard and they're extremely tough to take out. So alright guys, 2 hours of solid work and I think we got it done. Check out the fitment of the G35. So there you have it, folks. The fitment could be a lot better, but I'm really content with how it is right now, especially from how it was. So I'm really happy about that. But guys, I don't want to lengthen this video anymore. We got a lot more in the future. As you guys just saw, we saw the breather kit. We're going to go ahead and install that. We got the admin tuning intake. We got to install that. We're going to tune the car. We're going to do that. And we got to do the freaking, what's it called? Carbon hood that hopefully comes in by the time all this gets done, which is freaking awesome. And then also right after this, today we're gonna be taking our last ride on the G to my school. Tomorrow is our graduation, so tonight I'm gonna head over with some friends and celebrate the last night out. It's gonna be crazy, and I'm gonna bring you guys that video footage for next video, but I don't want to include it here because the video is gonna be way too long. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you guys in some way or another. Go with ARP studs, man. They're freaking awesome. Or APR. I keep confusing them, man. But whatever, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there. You know, do crazy shit. That didn't make sense. Do crazy shit and do shit. That don't go together. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Peace.